तू तो शूटिंग निकल गया ना?
हाँ
Hi.
Hi, this is Anna from Instant Bollywood.
Hi.
I want to ask you, how are you feeling with Arcs launching and almost, the show's going sold out and the response to the brand is so good and the stuff is so good.
I actually compare it to actually making a movie only. It's as hard as that. You have to be really authentic, you really have to be present, you have to give it your all. Because I think even to sell to a consumer, they don't want to buy nonsense, they want to buy something authentic, they want to buy a true story. Sneakers is something that I have grown up with, something I truly love. And I really wanted, to make a good sneaker, a good brand, good clothes that our country will wear. I always used to wonder, जहाँ भी जाते there is a Zara, there is a Uniqlo, there is an H&M. We are such a large country, most of the fabrics come from India, most of the manufacturing is made in India. How come we don't have a brand like this? Of course, मैं थोड़ी बड़ी बात कर रहा हूँ, but the endeavor was that, the intention is that we have a long way to go. We've taken good feedback, bad feedback. This is a brand that I really want to give myself, surrender myself to for a very long period in my life. So I'm learning, and I hope I get better year by year, season by season.
Any entrepreneurial tips for Maya?
Actually, I got inspired by her because during lockdown, she's someone who thought about her brand, and it became so successful. Actually, so many people talk about these celebrity brands, and she was one of the most successful ones. And I saw the kind of groundwork she did, and the hard work she put in, where marketing is concerned, where everything is concerned. So actually, I learned a lot from her, and I got inspired. And arts was something I was planning since 10, 12 years, but I never had the courage to. I was thinking that I don't know my country that well, I don't know how I will sell a product. Being an actor itself is so hard. How do you become an entrepreneur in some way? So I really inspired me that way.
Refreshing to see you on the podcast with Jay Shetty. How can we expect a one-on-one soon with us? We'll be missing you.
I'm here.
I'm here only. I'm not going anywhere. In fact, I mentioned also on the podcast a lot of people reached out to me saying, why have you forgotten us and not doing interviews? And I said, I genuinely don't have anything new to talk about. I wanted to take a bit of a, I did one interview or two interviews during Jigra promotions, but I didn't have much to say because I talked so much in 2022. But there's no such thing as I'm holding back or anything. I just feel like the minute I have some new energy to give, I'd rather be authentic than just speak for the heck of it.
Hi.
Soon.
Hello.
Hello.
In the podcast itself, you said that you're planning to this solo Asian festival and we are still trying to figure out where he's going and where you are going. So, can you have a little more on that? The tips for solo vacation, please, because I'm looking forward to it.
It was just something we casually discussed that we must do it, but I don't think we've really.
Well, you are going on a girls trip now.
I'm going to. It's not
This
easy.
one. Solo as in reward of me, solo होगा ना? वो तो solo था. You don't say कि अकेला तो कहीं घूम रही है, find me.
No, I was saying solo.
Alone?
Yeah, we discussed that, remember? Okay, solo, and we're like, yeah, we must do it. And then we're like, I might couple it with the boys trip. I said, I might couple it with the girls trip. Yeah. I mean, we haven't really gotten to planning it. It's just khayal pulao for now.
सर अक्सर आप लोग बोलते हैं कि फोटो मत खींचिए, फोटो नहीं करो, लेकिन गेस्ट लोग 4 या 5 वीडियो लेते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे डालते हैं और सोशल हैंडल पे डालते हैं। सर आगे आप कितने अप्रोच में क्या एक्शन लेंगे जो आपकी बातें नहीं मानेगा, ये फोटो लेगा, वीडियो लेगा? क्योंकि सर मैं जिनको कंट्रीब्यूट करता हूँ, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया हो गए, इंडिया टुडे हो गए, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स हो गए, मीडिया हो गए, वो लोग फिर इन्हीं आर्टिकल्स के साथ में उनके वीडियोस, उनका इंस्टाग्राम की चीजें यूज करते हैं। तो फिर इस चीज को आप
I think I'll get a more serious note, but I'm saying, मैं मुंबई में पला पड़ा हूँ, हम इंडस्ट्री में बहुत हुए हैं। All of you guys are family. ऐसा कुछ लीगल रूट हमको लेने की कोई नौबत नहीं है, जरूरत नहीं है। हम जब आप लोग को बुलाते हैं और आपसे विनती करते हैं, आप लोग सुनते हो, जैसे आपको तो कुछ लीगल हमसे हम देते हैं। So it's not something, I think we all work together we give our words to each other. ऐसे नहीं कि इस पे हम केस कर देंगे, उस पे केस कर देंगे। अगर आज हमने आप सबको बुलाया है, हमें विनती करेंगे यार, इस फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, it might sound like a very privileged problem, I understand that, but we are trying as parents how much we can to protect our child. जितना कर सकते करेंगे। there are few आज क्या today anybody with a camera phone can do anything and post it and it can spread like wildfire. तो वो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. आप लोग हमारे फैमिली जैसे तो आप हमारे कंट्रोल में हम आपको बोल सकते हैं हिंदी कर सकते हैं तो you can help us achieve this. But I don't know if there is any other route that we are.
No, to answer your question, I think जो आपने कहा है it is correct concern and like Ranveer is saying, we don't want to push any sort of like action, but if somebody is repeatedly not adhering, we will be left with no option.
जैसे मुझे याद है कुछ महीने पहले हम आगे मेरे बैठकी में उसकी बैठकी में बैठी थी एंड किसी ने बिल्डिंग में जाके फोटोग्राफी चला एक साल पहले तो वो तो बहुत गलत बात है. सो ऑब्वियसली आलिया said something on social media and she spoke to the editor of the whatever we spoke to that from Times of India. But that was wrong. We now वो एक लाइन इन पार्ट बस आप घर के अंदर ऐसे शूट नहीं कर सकते. I understand we are actors and there is some kind of curiosity about an actor's life, but वो एक line है that you cannot cross. So that I understand. Beyond that, honestly, आप सब you all are very respectful. I have known you for now 17 years. Alia's known you for so many years. And if you just speak to all ये हो जाता है. It's just as simple and casual as this.
सर आप और आलिया जी जब साथ में हैं बच्चों के, आप कहीं नहीं जा रहे, आपने विंडो खुला रखा है, ठीक है?
तो मैंने क्या मस्त बैठ लिया, कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है.
कभी-कभी दिखता है, तो तभी हमें क्या करना चाहिए? नंबर 1, अभी जैसे आप एयरपोर्ट पे जा रहे हैं,
बहुत सही सवाल आपने पूछा कि इसी के लिहाज because now we are going to the airport, we are going somewhere लिहाज there. What should we do? What's the right protocol?
What is the right protocol? Wait for her to cross and then we'll come out and take a photo with you. और अगर कुछ ऐसे दिखा उसका face बस cover कर देना with a heart or something. Just
See, having said that, देखिए अगर कोई special occasion है जैसे हम Christmas lunch पे जाते हैं.
No, yeah. No, if having said that, again, this I would request you all not to post because I'm speaking about. Yeah.
Ranveer, Himesh this side now.
Firstly, congratulations, सब लोग इसकी शादी हो गई है. All the best, bro. honeymoon करके आ गया. Back to work. Before you ask me a question, let me ask you, उड़ती दौड़ के तू धर्मा join कर रहा है? Is it true?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? हाँ, spotlight पे आ गया ना? कपूर.
Really? Congratulations. शादी कैसी थी?
Good.
Good.
Yeah. My question to you is, you have been shooting for Love and War. How has it been shooting for that? And we all have been waiting for Brahmastra 2 as well. Like what's happening on that front?
Love and War is something which is, I think, every actor's dream. To work with brilliant actors like Alia and Vicky, and to be directed under a master, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. I worked with him 17 years ago, Himesh, and to work with him again, I can say this with so much of clarity that I haven't met a human being who works so hard, who understands characters, emotions, music, Indian culture, Indian value system as much as Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Just to be on his set, it is tiring, it is long, the process can be a little daunting, but eventually as artists, it is so satisfying because I think he really nurtures art, and as actors, it's really been truly amazing so far. Brahmastra 2 is something that Ayan has been nurturing as a dream for a very long time. Brahmastra, the entire story of Brahmastra, as you guys know, he's currently working on War 2, and once the film releases, he's going to start the pre-production of Brahmastra 2. It's definitely happening. We haven't really announced much of it, but there will be some interesting announcements coming regarding Brahmastra 2.
Okay.
It's been amazing. We are shooting a lot of nights right now. So we work at night and then we are mom and dad in the day. So it's a very interesting combination. But really, because we shoot at night, and the reason I mentioned that is because we also made Gangubai mostly shot at night. it really becomes like your own world. There's no distraction, there's no, quite literally, there's no noise, there's no sound. It's just us. And every day when we go to set, we sit and we discuss the scene, and it's, with Sanjay sir, being back on set with him, he just makes you feel like when you come on set that 100% is just the beginning. You have to give way, way, way more than that, and you want to because of how much he is. And discussing each and every scene is a key scene. This scene is very important. This scene is very important. So you go into that knowing that no day on set is going to just be like a chilling day. You're there, you're giving your 100%, but we're having a blast. We're having a great time, and it's really just a blessing to be working under his guidance and to be working with Vicky and Ranveer, and to see them both together and then all three of us, like it's very fascinating.
Okay.
It's very yummy. अच्छा प्लीज केक खाइए
अरे बना रहे हम लोग अभी उनको बाजू में हट जाओ चलो हटो रे रणबीर अभी हमको अरे बना रहे हम लोग अभी उनको बाजू में हट जाओ चलो हटो रे रणबीर अभी हमको ये दादा हाथ चली गए क्या करेंगे उधर उधर वेट हो रहा है मैडम हाय रे हाय
Hi, yes, this is Ranveer. Wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a super year. Work hard, do well, and I hope to see you sometime soon. चले ना बोस का आरके